Today is Wednesday, January 23rd, 2022, or 23. Today is Monday, January 23rd, 2023. It's 4:16 p.m. There's my watch to prove it. I just tried to start my vehicle and this Intoxalock device is failing. I have no idea what it's doing now. I blew into it, tested negative, and I went to start it, it wouldn't start. So I have no idea what it's doing now. It's constantly failing. I'm gonna get stuck again. It's cold, it's snowing out. I'm trying to go grocery shopping and I can't do it. I have no idea why it's counting down this. It's one thing after another, constantly. Every week it's something else with this Intoxalock device. And the Secretary of State is part of it. This is just an extortion plot. It's not failing to test for alcohol. It's failing to be able to deal with this constantly failing device. Let's see. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Wait for what? Next try. I have no idea what this is doing. It's constantly doing this. This has nothing to do with sobriety. This has to do with the Michigan Secretary of State not policing this Intoxalock vehicle interlock device. And it's not the taxpayer's fault that this equipment fails, but the corrupt Judge Brian Longman, who's had my case for 21 months and's jerked me around. It's supposed to be a 12-month commitment. Let's see what happens. Okay. Please start. All right. I don't know what it's doing. All right, you guys are my witness. This thing's failing again. That's it for now. I'm gonna drive it. I'm not going shopping. Not today. I'll drive around a little bit and charge it up and see what happens. That's it for now. Adios. Bye-bye.